going to Mexico, and some of my friends told me the other day that I should vlog it. So here you guys go. It is 4:08 a.m. and I am tired, but I'm looking forward to this trip. And so I've just got a few more things and then we'll be out the door. Update. I got it shut. And so I'm just packing up my carry-on in this bag. Look, this is the mask I'm wearing all day because we're in a pandemic. If my future kids are watching this, hi. This is Aunt Marin.
That's so weird.
She's 13. I'm 16.
I'm still 12.
And I've never had my first kiss, so if my children are watching this, I've probably had my first kiss. Hopefully. Okay, we're heading out. I just loaded up all the suitcases into the car. This is Aunt Cora. Yes. I was thinking, what if my kids are watching this?
Here I am. Don't school. Just
Don't procrastinate.
I was not procrastinating. Oh my goodness. That's terrible.
How do you feel about Mexico?
I'm excited.
Marin, how do you feel? I mean, Cora. Mom. Grandma Heather.
Grandma?
Yeah, I was thinking, what if my kids watch this one day?
Okay, well, I'm not yet a grandma.
Hi.
Okay, I made it through security all by myself because everyone else is still checking bags. And Cora doesn't have TSA pre-check. But yeah, I did it and it was not hard. So now we're getting food. Okay guys, we got our Starbucks and our passport. And our Starbucks. And we're gonna board soon. We made it on the plane. Check it out, super awesome. This is very yummy. Yeah, very good. Got chocolate on my hands. Show us the view. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, we're just about to land in like a few minutes. I'm so excited. We're off the plane. Super excited to go swimming. She's been in a bad mood all day. It's official, you guys. Got the first stamp in my passport. World traveler right here. Show yours. Yeah! Super exciting.
Okay, chaotic. Don't control yourself any longer. Stop. Chaotic update. We're in the shuttle bus, but our parents ran away. So at least you weren't the one alone in the van by yourself. In a foreign land. I went to the bathroom for the 4th time. I went 3 times on the plane. I don't know why I have to pee so much today, but it's okay. Changed into this shirt because this is too hot. Because it's really hot here. I walked outside and my whole body just got sweaty. That's called humidity. Yeah, humidity. Yeah. So hopefully our parents come back. Hopefully. Yeah.
We're getting our rental car. Marin thinks she already got tan. This is the place. So yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Look guys, there's palm trees. We don't have those in Washington. And unless they plant them in their yard. Pink flowers on the fence. Pretty cool. Happy to be here. And what are you most looking forward to? Stop! I don't know. Getting so tan. Okay.
So we have officially left the airport. Check out the scenery, the nice, oh I can't zoom, tropical trees and flowers. Pulled over to have dinner. It's been pouring rain, like the hardest rain I've ever experienced in my life, but it was all right. There was lightning too.
The people watching this did see the Washington DC video with
yes,
the just as hard rain.
Throwback to that. So we are at the Jefferson Memorial and it's a little bit rainy. Yeah, but this time we were actually in a car, unlike last time. So, oh, there's some cute little shops and this building.
This building?
Yep.
This church, this cathedral?
This cathedral church. Yep.
See a wrap.
Okay, we just got to this restaurant that we just walked up to and found. And so I don't know what it's called, so I can't really recommend it. Las Campañas, okay. This is what Fanta looks like in Mexico, in case you were wondering. And this is what water looks like in Mexico. Agua. Sí. This guacamole just came and I tried this, and it is very spicy and my tongue burns.
Try that. That's a great flavor.
Oh, it's so spicy.
Check it out. Mexican food from Mexico. Flautas de pollo. I will update with my opinion.
Okay, I've had one bite. Very good. Yes, I would recommend coming to this random place in Mexico and ordering this. Okay, we finished dinner and went into this church that was really cool. It's always cool to go see different churches. And now we're gonna drive the rest of the 2.5, 3 hours to our Airbnb. Okay, right now Cora's going potty. We had to pull over. She's done. Sunny, I didn't vlog you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, I know you can't really see me, but after a long drive, we made it to the house.
It's like 11:15 right now, so we're going to bed pretty soon, but I already have 3 bug bites. There's bugs all over this house. Yeah, there are like a bunch of little bugs in here.
Heavyweights. There are cockroaches. Sydney.